Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Berkhamsted in Hertfordshire, and I've shown you some projects in my time. I know we've got lots on the YouTube channel, but this one is completely next level. I'm so proud to show you what's around here. Come with me. So we could be almost anywhere in the world, but like I say, we're in Berkhamsted, and this project is absolutely stunning. Working with some of the highest brands around. We've got the Millboard decking here in the enhanced grain in two colours, smoked oak and brushed basalt. This whole design and the decking was completed by Karl Harrison Design, and he had this idea of utilising this strange kind of shaped garden, and it gives a real feeling of space. Along with that, this stunning Grillo Kitchen, much more about that later. And then you've got an endless swimming pool in this one, along with the canopy that we've done with some lovely special touches in there. So all of this brought together is actually 5 companies working really hard and closely to make this such a stunning project. Some really exciting stuff to show you around. So stay with us and enjoy the next few videos, which are a tour of this amazing project.